Greetings, everyone. Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you are in. I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just wanted to come on really quickly and share some knowledge with you, right? We are all here to be the best versions of ourselves, whatever that means for the individual, because everyone has a different talent. We're not here to copy what someone else has done or is doing to try to benefit from the success that they've achieved, because if one person's good at baking and another person's good at cooking, those things may not overlap because they're two different things. Cooking you can more freestyle, whereas baking you pretty much have to have those exact measurements, right? So you may have somebody, her cake won a prize. I'm gonna make the same kind of cake to see if I can win, this prize. And your make cake may be a complete flop because again, this is not your specialty. This is not your gift, right? And so, a lot of times people will get upset and, or their feelings will be hurt or they'll just feel some kind of way. But if that's not what's meant for you, it's not meant for you. And it's not really meant for you to try to stop and block someone else from having what they're meant to have or who they are meant to be. Because we're all here to discover our own personal journey. Again, not to emulate the journey of someone else. Not that we can't share certain gifts, like, there may be 10 million people who are good at writing, and every one of those people can write a book, but it's still not going to be the same thoughts. The way that people share their information, their perceptions, their life experiences, the way those words are written on that paper is going to be different, right? Because each individual journey is different, and we're all here to teach each other something in the way that we can explain it. And so, you'll find people who can relate, and then they may become, um, disciples and really resonate with what you've had to share in a way that only you can share it, so that it makes sense to that person or those people. So I always say this, one person can have a million, another person can have another million, and some of those people may overlap, but for the most part, there's more than enough for everybody. It's basically my point. So I'm going to share this prayer, or if you want to call it a mantra, right? It's a universal prayer, right? And it's, "Oh, adorable Mother, Father, Creator, universe of mercy and love. Salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient. Thou art existence, consciousness, bliss absolute. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, trust, confidence, devotion, and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, hatred, anger, and jealousy. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold these in all Let us behold thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember thee. Let us ever sing thy glories. Let thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in thee forever and ever. Again, it's a universal prayer. So whatever it means to you, whether you see you acknowledge the God in yourself, your ancestors, whatever that looks like for you. Again, it's universal. So it can apply to anyone from any religion, any background, even an atheist. Um, but that's the goal. What is it that you want for yourself? Not trying to get what someone else has. And so I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope that it was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.